Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Tarot. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please click the bell icon below down and subscribe my channel. This channel is all about the occult sciences. The predictions will come monthly, weekly about your relationships, about your career and many other aspects of the life. Please do leave your suggestions if you have any. Alright, in the comment section below, and rest of the description is given below into the description box. Kindly visit it. Alright, so this is a general reading for my Pisceans. Alright, so if it doesn't resonate with you, it's okay, it's completely fine. Don't get hard pressed on yourself that why it's not resonating with you, might not be a message for you. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, what messages do we have? Do my cards hold for the Pisceans this week? What messages do my cards hold for the Pisceans this week? Okay, I've got the two cards. Okay, I'll take like this. Beautiful cards. Alright, let me see what do we have more. I hope you all keeping well in this hard time of the universe where the masculine energy is at rest and the feminine energy has taken over the control. Alright, just stay at home, stay safe, eat healthy. Okay, Pisceans. What is the challenge for my Pisceans this week? Alright, okay. What is the final outcome for my Pisceans? What is the final outcome for my Pisceans? Oh wow. This is beautiful. 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 Alright, at the bottom of the deck I have the Six of Pentacles, which indicates balance. You are missing out balance this week, Pisceans. Please look around at what in which you are missing out the balance. You know, you need to recreate the balance and you need to see that, you know, what is the stuff which is getting out of balance for you for this week. Alright, okay, so if I start with your health, health is as beautiful as the sun in the sky. Alright, so health is very much fine, need not to worry on the onto the health front. Alright, just eat healthy as I said. Alright, that is the only requirement for you for this week. Alright, talking about your finances, another beautiful 1111 card has came out for you. Your finances are celebrating, you're good with your finances this week, so nothing to worry about. Alright, okay, now if I talk about your workplace, I think some of the Pisceans are planning to go abroad or probably, going overseas, or maybe getting an opportunity to go overseas. Or maybe some of the Pisceans are waiting for this opportunity that, that they may get a project to go overseas or something like that. I know it's not possible these days, but then something is there which indicates a movement into the place, alright, from one place to another place. Generally, Two of Wands indicates overseas, but then because looking at the present condition, it might be from one city to another city. Alright, it might be overseas also, so don't get surprised if you get the opportunity to move across the globe. Alright, overseas. I think, and most of the Pisceans were waiting for this, so your wait is getting over for this week and you are getting a good news also. Alright, so that is for your workplace. Now coming to your relationships. Okay, Pisceans, for the relationships I have got the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, you need to work on your relationships. It is a very known fact which most of the people don't know actually, that relationships are not something which are meant to run. Relationships are not something which are easy to run rather, right? Always one has to put the efforts, always one has to put the efforts throughout the life to make it happening, to make it going, to make it worthy enough, right? It's not a one-time effort or it's not one-time investment you do, but relationship is a lifetime investment and the lifetime effort you put across to you, right? So my Pisceans need to work on their relationships. If if there's any argument or if there's any kind of a differences are coming between my Piscean and their partners, alright, after working out, I'm sure they'll be finding the solution. Alright, if my Pisceans are stuck in their relationship because of something, alright, so they need to just work upon it, think upon it, that what's the missing, and then you will be getting the results. Alright, for this week The challenge is your karma. The card is justice. Alright. This week, the simple quotation goes with you all. What you sow, so shall you reap. Alright. Whatever karma you'll do, you'll get the results according to that only. So please plan and think before you do any deed for this week. Alright. Because karma is watching you. You know. So take care. Alright. Open your practical front and keep your emotional front aside. That is the need of the week for my Pisceans. Alright. Think in the 360-degree horizon instead of 180-degree horizon. Alright. You need to see all around you what's happening. Alright. Of course, with the positivity, but do look at the negative points so that you can cut them out before the time. You can cut them before they destroy you. You can destroy them. Alright. So that is the need of the week coming across to you. Alright. And the final call and the final outcome for you people is the Knight of Swords and Six of Wands. Alright. With this fast moving energy, you are in full of action. You are ready to, take an action right now, full of energy. Alright. But then I'll still suggest you that, keep your practical front open. Keep your practical front open, okay? And then in the end, you will bestow success. That is the Six of Wands. So it's a happy week for you. Alright, just you need to watch your karmas. Alright, and everything would be fine for you. Okay, so let me see what my oracle wants to tell you. Alright, so what the message for my Pisces this week? What is the message for my Pisces this week? What is the message for my Pisces this week? Alright, okay Pisces, the card has came out, the adjustments are required. Alright, and at the bottom of the deck I have the end of tough cycle approaches. Alright, so in anything like here, what I'm able to see exactly, when we talk about the adjustments, alright, generally we think of the relationships that okay, we need to adjust, and as I already told you that you need to work on your relationships. So might be this goes like this, that you need to do few adjustments in your relationship. Alright, and then you can actually get that peace which you're actually looking for, right? But then doesn't mean that it is only your relationship. It might be at your workplace as well. Alright, it might be in your finances that you need to adjust something. You need to see, okay, that how the things are going and how things should go. Alright, so that is the call for you. And let me see what I have for you as a final message from the universe. The final message from the universe for my Pisces. The final message from the universe for my Pisces. Oh wow, oh my god, see, look at this beautiful card, that is Ardhanarishwar. Alright, the card says the blessings are felicity in married life, raising the Kundalini energy, transcendental knowledge of universal oneness, ability to harmonize opposing viewpoints or forces. Alright, see, how this much is coming into the resonate, that you need to work upon on your relationships, the efforts which are needed. Alright, and with those adjustments you will get that felicity in the married life, in your relationships. Okay, so the call is actually for your relationships. What I am getting again and again, my intuition is hitting me that it's about your relationships this week. It's all about your relationships this week. Alright, okay, the final prayer for you from the Ardhanarishwar is that she dances to create the world while he dances to wind it all up. She is the mother of the universe. He is its only father. I bow down to Shiva and Shivani. Alright, this is the beautiful Ardhanarishwar Shrot as a prayer for my beautiful Cancerians this week. Alright, I hope this helps you, and do leave your comment into the comment section below and let me know if it's resonated with you or not. And just let me know. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless.